Westside High School offers a wide range of classes designed to help students explore interests and prepare them for what's next.
Our high school is a comprehensive high school. We have a magnet program, we have CTE pathways, we offer dual credit and early college programs. Our featured magnet programs are audiovisual production, engineering, health science, computer science, culinary, graphic design, networking, and entrepreneurship. It's a lot.
With so many options, we stopped by the audio and video production class, where students are learning hands-on skills using industry-grade equipment.
And here we do a lot of the production. We do a lot of production for a green screen. My AV1 class right now, they are doing a podcast series, so they have a 3-part series, so they're using the green screen to utilize the background. Because I want to try to let them understand, like right now, monetizing on social media is a big thing. So I'm trying to teach them skills that you can do right now, that you can translate over to your life right now. You don't have to wait till you graduate and wait till you finish college and everything. You can do this right now.
But before students jump into projects like this, they start with the basics.
There are steps to it. Before they even get to this, you have to learn how to work the camera. You got to know what's going on iMac. You got to know what's going on in Premiere Pro. So
you basically learn the basics of understanding how to work a camera, like video editing software, and just understanding the different elements of just creating projects and working together to create a giant compilation of everything you do.
Do you plan after you graduate high school? Is this like a career pathway you want to go into, or are you just taking this class because you like this?
I enjoy the idea of me creating films and using technology, and I definitely want to further my studies into this pathway.
Westside High School, turning students' creativity into real-world skills, one project at a time.